Hey Biscuits, welcome back. Today I thought I would restart up a series that I had been having fun with last year, which was kind of going through the misconnections on Craigslist in different cities and reading you the ones that I think could give us some good self-reflection and a good chuckle. Should we start out? I think so. I don't know about you, but I feel like this new year, I want a good laugh. You know? Do you feel that too? Last year, it was a very heavy year. There was a lot of stuff going on in the world to stress people out, and I feel like this year should be a year just filled with laughter and humor and wit, and not laughing at people that list these, but laughing at the situations that they remind us of, or the kind of people that we know in our real life that would leave these kind of messages. So let's start with the first one. Are you a woman who is attracted to dads? Do you find yourself always attracted to dad types and want to meet an unattached, nice-looking one? If yes, let's talk. I mean, I love this because, and we're going to scroll through, maybe there's a mom version of this, but I can't imagine a mother type ever leaving a comment like this, do you like moms? Because I feel like mothers, you know, single moms are always apologizing for being mothers in the dating world. We're always kind of being told that we should be more flexible, that we should lower our standards because we're moms somehow, like that even makes sense, that we should be apologetic that our time goes towards our families, whereas single dads are like, oh, they're doing it all, it's amazing, as though that's more attractive. And I've never understood that double silliness, but I think this is pretty silly. So in the Los Angeles area, if you're looking for a dad type, there you go, Craigslist could be your answer. I can't say that I recommend it though. Okay, let's scroll through. Let's find another good one. What do you think? I know that so many of you that come on here come from my Wholesome Feed channel and all of our parenting topics, and that you are moms and dads yourself. How have you found dating if you are a single parent? Okay, I was gonna click on one and then I thought maybe the language is too crude in the header. I'm not sure I can say that on YouTube. Let's try this one. Short-haired QZ at Disney. Space Mountain. Is Space Mountain part of Disney? Yes, that sounds right. I think so. I haven't been to Disney since I was a little monkey. I would like to go though. I don't know if my son would. I think my son would find it too overwhelming. I'm not sure he would really enjoy it. I was in line with you and your family at Space Mountain, and wow, you have such a beautiful smile. On the way out, I told you how gorgeous you are. I was with my son, so I couldn't stick around to chat, but wanted to. I really hope you see this and reply. Email me, please. Okay, so I'm hoping that when he says with your family, he means this was a grown woman with like her kids or something. The way it's worded, yeah, I'm hoping that's what it means, and it's not like some 15-year-old girl that he was hitting on. He's like, come on, I couldn't hit you up because I have a kid with me. I remember being a teenager and having a guy that probably was in his 40s, would be my bet, hit on me. And I was pre-college, so like 15 maybe probably about 15, 14. And not realizing he was hitting on me, and then my mom walks up and gives him this look because she knew what he was up to. And then I realized what was going on, and it was just this horrifying, like, what is going on here? This is wrong and creepy. It is. Don't hit on teenagers if you're a grown man or a grown woman. Just don't do it. Leave the teenagers be. They're little tiny babies. Oh, this is a good one. Missing a friend to dress up with? I agree. I want a friend to dress up with. Wouldn't that be fun? We go dress up for tea parties and wear hats and stuff. I need to plan that. I love a good tea party, and I feel like it has been a while since I have done my my tea party stuff. You guys saw the vlog from last summer when I went with my siblings. I need to get some of my friends together and go do a tea party. I don't know if I can vlog that though. We'll have to see. Some of my friends are not into the vlogging world at all and do not want to be vlogged, so it's always awkward of what I can film and different things. So I'll try to get together a group that are all okay with being vlogged and do another tea party, because I think that'd be fun. Go on little tasty nibbles. I miss my young, cute friend that would dress up with me and play. Okay, it's pretty short. I mean, I don't know. That would be appropriate, like, if a 5-year-old sent this. But I don't think a 5-year-old could write that. So, okay. I mean, I'm all for dressing up. What is your young, cute friend that you would dress up with? I don't know. I just get a creepy vibe from it. Do you? Maybe I'm wrong. Man, the good ones I don't think I can say on YouTube. Oh, okay. I think I can. I skimmed this. I'm not sure if I can read this all out, so if I stop suddenly, you know why. Dom looking for his hot blonde. I edited a book about a Dom dude and a lady. It's a good book. It's available on Smashwords. Oh yeah. I don't know where. No, I think it's available on Barnes and Noble too. Yeah. I'm tall, handsome, charismatic, and well endowed. Very intelligent, confident, aggressive, masculine, and very commanding. If you're a sexy blonde that wants to be obedient, get in touch. This is for, all caps, women only. I mean, I can see that you'd want to, say that. I just think that that's a funny list. But okay, yeah, go for it. Go do you. I think everybody should do them. People are so judgy in this day and age, which surprises me. I think people would be more open-minded. Just do you. I heard that one was going to be funnier because I've read some really funny ones on Craigslist. Let's try the Trader Joe's missed connection. The pretty exotic brunette I saw at Trader Joe's. God, I love Trader Joe's. It's such a fun store. I base, where I live off of like how many hours drive is my Trader Joe's. Let's see if we enjoy similar healthful recipes. Maybe even cook together in the future. Smiley face. I'm an attractive white guy. Tall, fit, with cute blue eyes and brown hair. Single, with no children. I'm gonna speculate that there's a reason he's single with no children. And failing to pick up the ladies at Trader Joe's. Just my suggestion. Have you ever been picked up at a grocery store? Like, you always hear about the singles hour, right? Where you go at like dinner time and then only single people are there, and so you try to hit on each other. And I've only been hit on at a grocery store once, and it was a weird experience. I mean, it's always fun when somebody's nice to you, right, and hits on you politely. I enjoyed that. It's just not something I experienced. So I would love to tell me in the comments. Give me your great stories of being hit on at the grocery store. I don't know. I feel like that would make a great Instagram stories. I will totally leave me your comments, and I will put them up on Instagram stories with pics, and that would be hysterical. Let's do that because I think that's funny. I love the human mating rituals. It's beautiful. We all do it. We all just want to find a mate and be happy and be accepted and be known and recognized and loved. And yet to get there, it's so hard for us to get to that point, right? We so struggle with it. I'm looking for a sensual connection in Pasadena. Hey ladies, I'm looking for a woman who would like to meet up for a sensual connection. I'm in my 30s, white and clean. I'm mobile as well. Now, here's my question. Does that mean that you're ambulatory and you can move physically? That's a low bar. Or does that mean like your, what's the term? Your sensual connection is mobile? Like you're like a mobile pet groomer. Like you come, you offer your sensual connection, and then you leave? Does that mean, what does I am mobile mean? I think that means they can drive around. Yeah. I'm gonna say sensual connection means hookup, but I feel like it sounds like a really good like self-help guru session, when you would pay a lot of money for your sensual connection. It would get you in touch with yourself, and they would like touch your chakras and stuff with little warm stones and chant a little bit and then charge you $800. That's what it sounds like to me, but I don't think that's what this guy in Pasadena's idea is. What are your best funny, silly connection stories? Because, oh my goodness, I have been trying to put more time into dating. That's kind of one of my 2019 goals, is to kind of give myself more space and time in my life to be able to date more and find a good match, a good person, right? I'm a relationship kind of person. I like being in a relationship. I miss having a significant other that is, you know, really a good fit for me. So that was kind of one of the things that I told myself, is I would make room in my life for what I really wanted, which is a partner. Which does not mean that my siblings and I will ever stop going to Craigslist and reading Great Misconnections together, because it's one of the things that entertains us. That and going on my sister's Tinder account and being deeply entertained, which now she's off because now she's engaged. I'm like, no, you were so entertaining back in the Tinder days. And it's lovely to see. A lot of my siblings last year have gotten engaged, or just this year. I know, it's only January. And it's fun to see people that you never, siblings that you love, that you never thought were going to get paired off this early, pairing off. And I like it. It's inspiring. But it does make it so I can't read their Tinder profiles anymore. It was comedy gold. Oh my god. But with my online dating, less comedy, I mean some comedy, amazing amount of tea bags, and not like, you know, a nice douchebag that just doesn't know how to interact, just douchebag. I'm like, we're all old enough here in this picture to behave ourselves. You can do it. You can. But as motivation for my dating this year, I try to see the humor in it, which is part of these funny misconnections. We're all in the same boat, right? Anybody that's single, whether you're actively dating or just kind of maybe open to a relationship, it's just filled with catastrophe humor and ridiculous events that you're like, did that really just happen to me? No, that's a book. And I should write it. I really should. That should be one. Maybe this year I'm all booked out for what I'm scheduled for publication, for what to do for deadlines, for my novels. But maybe next year I should do a funny dating book. Oh my god, the stories I can tell. I try not to tell recent dating stories because I know that a couple of them watch my channel, and I don't want to insult anybody, you know. That's never my goal with any of my dating stories. You can go back on the channel and see some of my dating tips and my dating horror stories. I really try to go back in time for those, to people that I don't think have any connection to ever watching the channel. Because, you know, I never want to be malicious in my dating stories or my dating humor. I just kind of have a dark Monty Python-esque humor when it comes to dating. And because, you know, I've been single a long time, and I get to tell funny stories from it. But I try to be kind with that, which I think is all we can do when we're dating, is be gentle and kind to ourselves and to the people that we go on dates with, because it's rough out there. It is a rough, scary world where you're like, oh my goodness, I just recently saw Downsizing with Matt Damon in it, and okay, I don't think this gives it away. People can be shrunk in this movie, like purposefully, and then they can go live in huts by themselves, and I'm like, maybe that's the solution. Hey, thank you so much for subscribing, for giving these videos thumbs up, and for being a part of this fun channel. I love giving my tips and kind of easy, simple hacks to getting a clean house on here. I love giving my dating and vlog stories, and just letting this be, you know, a more personal, fun channel on here. It's entertaining for me, and I hope that it's entertaining me learn things on here, and get inspired to go out and be brave and do things, and, you know, reflect on all of that. I think it's a good thing. Until my next video on here, you can follow me on Instagram. I link off of my little banner here on YouTube, links to that, and I often post there several times a day, and I do Instagram stories and everything, so I'm on there all the time. Until the next video, I'm gonna see you all around there on my other channel. Hey, don't forget, go check out the links in the description box. I link to all of my home good wares, my pillows and my totes and my fun little mugs, and I link to all of my novels for sale. Go check them out. See you next time. And hey, at the very least, dating gives us really entertaining tales to tell in like 30 years.